Hello, wonderful traders. Dada's here and the Dada's trading system. I had a break today. Like I said in the previous video, I wasn't trading. I was just observing the market, and we were having a good time chatting on Discord. And also, I was streaming live and showing the all possible trades that were possible during the day. I also devoted this day to some technical stuff, mainly tweaking some of my indicators and further developing the system. Additionally, on our Discord server, so this is my Discord server right here. I've been working on the section right here, which is the data trading system section. Now, this section is not visible to everybody. This section is only visible to all the traders who have the inner circle role. That means the inner circle role is only for those traders who already are trading by system, the data trading system, and to all my Patreons from on patreon.com, data trading system, without spaces. Okay, so if anybody is at minimum $17 per month tier, then they also will have access to this section. In this section we will have all the tools, like for example today I was spending my time on listing all the tools and making screenshots. There will be special videos here, videos that will not be visible for only for the public, for general public. They will only be visible and accessible to those who are in the inner circle. And there is a special voice channel there. This voice channel is devoted to all kinds of workshops and seminars that, or say seminars, webinars that I might be leading, and then everybody can join in. Of course, everybody from the inner circle can join in and listen and watch such a webinar live. Now, I also have a special corner here called Street Epistemology, and I also have a few members here that we chat with in English. I don't have anybody from Poland yet. I don't know if how many people have actually heard of street epistemology. If anybody is interested in exploring their own beliefs about anything in the Socratic method of asking non-confrontational questions, I kindly invite everybody here. We can have street epistemology sessions to explore the method and explore, basically to explore why somebody believes something and how they came to the conclusion that their belief is based on reliable methods and it could be trustworthy. Yeah, so basically that's a part of one of my hobbies, or say, yeah, a hobby that I would like to practice more. So both on voice chats and on text chats. So I kindly invite anybody who is interested. Then I will, please ask me for the role. I will give you the role, and we can do some conversations here. Okay. Anyways, so today let's go back to the summary of the day. So basically, what happened today? Well, as we can see, the DAX index has moved further on furthermore upwards, and breaking all-time highs, and making new all-time highs right now. So we don't have any way to figure out where the resistance level is at the moment, because there is no historical price at this level. So yeah, we have to watch the market. Basically, let's looking at the Frankfurt Open. Yeah, there was a possibility to trade long from this zero line here. So yeah, so there was you see there's a green zero line coming out from this candle right here. So basically, because why this one? Because this one broke the previous zero line, which was red, right? So this one broke the red zero line, so now we have a new zero line, and here we had some potentially on the market opening. Well, I don't know if we could get a trade right there, because that's that's about the time when the spread changes from a wide spread to the standard 0.8 pips, right? Right now the spread is already wider than the usual. Usually it's 80 points, so 0.8 pips. So basically there was a possibility. Let's look at the oh, sorry, I'm talking about, yeah, this was on the USA Open, on the USA session opening. So yeah, so that's not it. I mean, the Frankfurt opening was right there. The Frankfurt opening was right there, and on the Frankfurt opening, you see that we had some action downwards, yeah, from this one, that at least at this moment it wasn't broken yet. So this zero line wasn't broken yet, so there was a possibility of getting some small pips right there. Small pips, relatively, that's about 7 pips. Oh yeah, 7 pips, 6 point something pips right there. That was a trade. And then the market bounced off right there. We see that there are quite a lot of zero lines right here, because the market was signaling up and going back down, so breaking zero lines all the time. So basically let's say there was a zero line right here, but I don't know if we could get this trade or not. Possibly, right? So we can go and look at the charts at the Renko. So that will be 10, 10, 15 on the chart. So 10, 15 here on the DAX. Let's find it. 10, 15. That's right about somewhere around here. Now that's around about here. So basically this is the zero line right here, and we got one signal right there and one signal right there for long, right? So that would be here, that's 9 candles from this. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this signal lit up only after this candle. So then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, this one lit up after this candle. So already after this candle we could have been entering long right there, or even after the price started coming back from retesting the stop loss level, right? We could have gone long, and we see that the market even retested this level one more time, and then it went almost straight up, and it would be there would be two basically after the standard procedure is after this candle is closed, then I trail my stop loss to take profit right there. So basically this one would have worked ideally. The expert advisor would have taken it out probably, or even maybe not, because from what I can see here, there was no significant pullback, and depends how far the stop loss would have been trailed. Most probably somewhere to this level, and then it would have been safe. And the next level that the expert is closing is after the first counter direction candle. So after this counter direction candle, the stop loss would have been trailed and then taken out. No, it wouldn't be trailed; it would be closed simply on the next available price. It would have been closed, and that's it. So that one would have been a very good one. Yeah, if we had taken it, right? Then what next? Then after this one, we don't have anything until we see this candle right there, and there is a red zero line. Now there's a red zero line. The best situation is when the price is retesting the zero line. So in other words, this candle didn't retest the zero line. So basically the trade would have, if the market had gone directly down, right, then we wouldn't have taken the trade. We wouldn't have an opportunity. And let's check it. Let's check the 11:15 now. Okay, so 11:15 around here, there. Okay, that's 11:15. So you see, we have 11:15 right there. We don't have a signal. There is a signal right there. So we would have had to we would have to wait, but that was quick. I mean, 11:15 to 11:30, right? 11:15 to 11. Let's check. 11:30 is right there. So if 11:30 is right there, and we got a no, we didn't get. That's after 9 candles. So 11:30 is right there. We might have taken a short, possibly, but I doubt it because the price wasn't exactly there. So basically, the expert advisor, well, it's not very clear right here. So the expert advisor might have opened a short right there, but it might have not. I don't know. If the bid price hit that red line, then it would have opened the short, and we might either have to lose it, or basically it didn't hit the stop loss. So it still gave us another opportunity to get out. But then right there we already see the green signal right here. So this is that's just not a good thing. Then there is no red signal anymore. So we basically have to get out of it, get out of this trade. And let me start. Do I have a ticker? No. Okay. So basically, you see, if you've been watching my previous videos, you might have seen a lot more signals on the Renko chart. But today I've made a specific modification. So in other words, At this moment I am interested only on entering the signals if the price gives us an opportunity to do it, right? So in other words, if I get a signal and I get a signal after 9 candles, I need 8 or 9 candles, yeah, depending on the conditions. So let's take 9 candles. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So after 9 candles, I get this signal. Then I click here, and then I have to wait for the price to retest and start going back up again, and catch, if the market gives us an opportunity, catch the trade, and then yeah, then the trade goes the way it's supposed to go, right? So yeah, that's the new idea. That's why I filtered out those signals, yeah. And you see that I have a signal here. Now the next signal is right there, but the signal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this signal came up only after this candle. So we didn't have any opportunity to enter, because after this candle, the price didn't come back. And the price didn't come back, we didn't enter. So yeah, that's it. So the next signal is right there. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I couldn't enter there. I could enter somewhere right here or right there. Yeah. Of course, this wouldn't be a very good trade because at this moment I would have seen this red signal already. At this moment, not this one yet, but this one I would have already seen, and also this signal. So that would mean we don't enter long at this moment, right? But if we had entered long, we still had an opportunity right there to trail our. In other words, if 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 the situation were that I had waited out, the stop loss was in danger right here, but it wasn't taken out. It was good. So then I would have to, on my standard procedure, after the closing of this candle, I would have trailed right there, and then I would have been taken out. Okay, so that could have been a profit anyway. Yeah, not so much here because basically right here I'm not sure if it was safe or not, right? The stop loss. Anyway, if it had been safe right there, then the candle wouldn't be green yet. But if we were still in the trade, then we had even an opportunity to get the take profit. Anyways, okay, so that's that. And then you see that there are some more new zero lines showing up. However, we know that we only have these two signals right there, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the signal was after this candle, the latest, right? Either after this candle or after this candle, depending if it was an 8 or a 9 structure. Okay, so then the only thing we can do on this signal is go short like this, and then of course, I mean, we didn't have any zero line right there, so that's not a reason to go short. Again, the zero line was right there. It happened right there, so the zero line only showed up like this is like 14 and quarter past 14, somewhere around here. No, it didn't. Yeah, it did. Oh, that was a very long consolidation from 11 to yeah. So basically, the red line would have appeared, the red zero line would have appeared right there after that. So we could have done something like that, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we could have gotten in short right there, and this short would have been quick, and it wouldn't give us an opportunity to trail. So basically, it would have been taken out on a stop loss right there. Yeah, tough luck. But then we would probably see after this action. Then we are at yeah, until 45. So yeah, until 45. That's right there. Yeah, right there. Then there's something wrong because that's not yet it. No, we wouldn't see the green line yet. We would probably, yeah, we would see the green line somewhere right there. Yeah, somewhere right there we will see the green line after this candle. So that means that we will have to wait for a signal, and the first signal was right here. Of course, we cannot get that signal, we cannot get into the trade because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that one is already gone. Then on the next signal, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's already gone. So yeah, and then comes the signal to sell. So we didn't get a trade over there. Now on the signal to sell, the first one is right here and appeared after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 or 9, so that's almost gone, but not really, because we can there was a possibility to get in right there. We just had to hit our trading button and let the expert do its job, right? Then we would have been safe and we would have trailed somewhere and gotten some profit, right? After that one, there will be 1, 2, 3, no trailing yet. So we still wait. Then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, trail to there. Next one, trail to there, and that's what we get, right? That's about what we get. Unless the expert would have closed it somewhere right there, but I doubt it. That's a bit too far, but who knows? Depends. I mean, I don't have the calculation in my eyes. So basically, that's how we could have gone, or we could have also gone from from the second signal. So this one signal. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then we get more opportunities to get into the trade right there, and the trade is probably either the same conditions of trailing, or the take profit has already taken it out right there. Like I said before the take profit line. So most probably that's what would have happened right there. Okay, so that's a trade that would have been won. Now we're getting the red zero lines but no signals, and then we're getting a green line. Yeah, because this green line is later than this one, so that means that the M15 had to break the other zero line. Yeah. So if the M15 broke the other zero line, that means that we see this signal, then we have to come on. Then we have to test this signal, right? We have to test this signal, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one is gone already. This one is gone. We couldn't take that one. Here's another one. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's gone. We didn't take that one. Shit. So basically that leaves us either with trying to get in right here, or otherwise it gives us the next signal right here, and this signal, we can see clearly there's more than 9 candles right there. So this one gives us an opportunity, plus again another 0 line in green. So this one would have been successful either by trailing stop right there, or perhaps even by full range all the way up there, right? Now this 0 line we are forced to ignore because there are no signals. Okay, because there are no signals, and since there are no signals, we cannot go anywhere right here. We cannot take any trades right there. Again, this one is already a runaway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a runaway. And yeah, and that's it. That's what happened right there. So you can see that at this moment we even have better opportunities, because we don't really even need to be on the M15 so much, right? Because my new tweaks are even allowing us to trade directly off the Renko chart without looking too much at the M15. But of course you should, oh sorry, I seem to be sleepy, yawning. Anyways, so what we see here is also there's also a possibility to check it out on the M15, because like I said before, there are many opportunities right here. Like for example, this trade that we were talking about that didn't go down so far, right? And then this one that let's say falsified or negated the other one, right? Broke the other one, and because, but the problem with this with looking only at the F15 is that we need to take more risk on trades, because we don't really know what's going to happen right here. So basically, in order to get this one from the M15 just like it is, we have to risk. In other words, we have to say, okay, so the price is going to go up, so this is I'm taking this risk, yeah. And we never know if the price is really going to go up or is it going to go down, right? Now that's why pure trading on the M15 chart, when even on such signals like this one, for example, seems to be very good one, right? But didn't go up there, yeah, didn't hit take profit, and then we got another signal right there for trading short, and we could have even taken a short there. But in this situation, the market respected these two levels perfectly. You see, it bounced off right there and started continuing back up, right? And then we have another trade, but again, it's not like it's a single confirmation trade, not a double, not double, triple confirmation when we go down to let's say a Renko bar chart and then trade it over there, right? So yeah, so that's why the system is it's a combination of looking at the M15 and then following it through on the Renko charts. Okay, so yeah, so that's the summary for today. Tomorrow also no trading. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna be Streaming live, I'm gonna be showing the possibilities live, and yeah, and if anybody is interested, they can join the chat. Please do. You're sincerely invited, because the more of us, the better. Well, basically, like recently, I've been talking with maximum 3 guys, so that's not a lot. Anyways, yeah. So I think that's all for today. Please join my Discord server. The link is below in the description. I will also always put the link below in the description. Yeah, and then see you tomorrow then.